This project was the first project that we decided to, well, that was the first time that we got a headset, Oculus, so this was 3 years ago. We decided to take all the knowledge that we had and make it our first real virtual reality project. We got our first Vive. We had one of the early developer editions of the Vive. We got incredibly excited about being able to mix the reality here. For us, this first test, it wasn't about virtual reality, it was about mixed reality. So that's why we built those podiums and we put the Vive controllers and we mapped them to the objects, because we thought that was incredibly interesting to just go and grab an object and interact with it. So as architects, something that you want is to have things like that, right? To be able to section the building. So this was our first test of building a set of tools for architecture. So we built a section tool, measure tool, scale tool, rotate. What we do is we have the interface on one controller, and with the thumb, you just cycle through the tools, super easy. So now is VR, tomorrow is gonna be AR, in 2 years it's gonna be mixed reality. So the headset itself is not that important, right? It's like giving importance to the TV or the projector. What is important is, well, it's obviously the content, but it's the tool. So for us, game engines is what's key for virtual reality in architecture. Why do we think that the engines are so important? I think the engines are what are going to allow the architect to not only visualize is super important. Being able to design while you are in virtual reality, that's the real key. This is the future of virtual reality and architecture. Being able to design from within, that's the true power of it. It's only a sketch, but it's a spatial sketch. What we've seen is a building developer, they have a building that they're trying to build, and they build a one-to-one showroom, and then they start building the building, they take that showroom to another country, and they need to build it again. That costs a lot of money. You don't have to do that. You can take a Vive, take a laptop, put it in a Pelican case, and you can travel with the whole building, not only just move around, you can just change materials. So that has been our experience in architecture.